So frequent mistakes that I see when SDRs are prospecting, and to me, it's more of like a group of mistakes, and I group them into these like administrative mistakes. How often do I see a variable being wrong on the email or not filled out, and there's some really funky outreach because of that, or maybe there's some spelling errors, or you've just read an email that a prospect sent to you that obviously has not been proofread. So, for me, there's kind of two ways to mitigate these types of errors. First and foremost, make sure that you're really balancing the activity levels that you're pushing your SDRs to make and do in any given day versus the quality. Our SDRs are so focused on making calls, sending out emails, making calls, sending out emails, and often they don't take a look at what they're sending out. They allow too much on automation to an extent, and that's because we've really shaped them and molded them to focus solely on high velocity and activity. So making sure that there's that space for a bit of quality control, number one. And then number two, it's really about, and I'm not saying make SDRs an expert in sales ops or rev ops, but really having the SDRs understand the sales enablement platform or the CRM that they're working out of. Make sure that they have a really good knowledge base on how that platform works, so they can be proactive in catching mistakes and understanding when a mistake is made, how they can rectify it or mitigate it before going to their manager. So I think for me, it's all about making sure we're dialing in the admin work by really giving our reps some time to focus on quality, and also allowing them to build up their knowledge on the SEP, sales enablement platform, the CRM that they're working out of.